Hello, my students. How are you? I hope you are fine. Today we are going to study, inshallah, the clock. We are going to see how to tell time in English. What time is it? What time is it?
What time is it?
What time is it? So this is a clock. In this clock, we have two parts. The part in blue and the part in gray. In this part, we use the word past, and here we use the word to. So o'clock, 5 past. From here to here, we have 5 minutes. من هنا لهنا كاينة 5 دقائق. 5 past, 5. From 12 to 2, we have 10 past, 10 minutes. 10 minutes. From here to here, we have 15 minutes. We say 15 past or quarter past. Quarter هو الربع. Quarter past. From 12 to 4, we have 20 minutes. 20 past. From 12 to 5, we have 25 minutes. من هنا لهنا 25 دقيقة دازت. 25 minutes. And from 12 to 6, we have half past. Half.
Half past.
Half هو النصف. Half. So let's have a look at the first example. 1-5. What time is it?
What time is it?
What time is it? It's 5 past 1.
It's 5 past 1.
Okay, so here we have 5 minutes past 1. دائما كنبداو بالدقائق. 5 past 1 بحال كنقولوا 5 دقائق دازت على الوحدة. It's 5 past 1. Look at the second example. How many minutes do we have here? We have 10 minutes. 10 دقائق. 10. داكشي اش كنقولوا. It's 10 past 1.
It's 10
past
1. Repeat with us.
Okay. Okay. So in the third example, we have, how many minutes do we have here? 15.
Yeah.
So we say it's 15 past 1 or it's quarter past 1. Okay, quarter دائما تنبداو بالدقائق. Quarter past 1. Here it's 20
past 2.
20 past
2.
It's 20 past 2.
It's 20 past 2.
علاش قلنا 20 لأن كنبداو بالدقائق. عاد we move to hours. 20 past 2. وفي النصف الأول دائما تنستعمل the word past. Here it's 25 past 2. And in the last example, it's half past 3. It's half oneness. It's half past 3. Okay?
Yeah.
In the second part of the clock, we use the word to. هنا كنستعمل the word past. هنا كنستعمل the word to.
2.
Okay, from 7 من 7. From 7 to 12. How many minutes do we have? من هنا لهنا. شحال من دقيقة عندي؟ 25. From 8 to 12. We have 20 minutes. From 9 to 12. من هنا لهنا. We have quarter or 15 minutes. From 10 to 12. 10 minutes. From 11 to 12. We have only 5 minutes. So let's have a look at the example to understand. 3:35. هنا شحال بقات لي من دقيقة باش نوصل للربعة؟ لاحظ بالدارجة كنقولوا الربعة قل 25. بقات لي 25 دقيقة باش نوصل للربعة. داكشي علاش كنقول it's 25 to 4. يعني 25 دقيقة للربعة. It's 25. علاش بديت بالدقائق؟ لأن هكا في الإنجليزية كنبداو بالدقيقة عاد كنمشيو للساعة. It's 25 to 4. هنا شحال بقات لي دقيقة باش نوصل للربعة؟ لاحظ 43 دقيقة. شحال بقات لي من دقيقة باش نوصل للربعة نيشان؟ بقات لي 20. داكشي علاش قلنا it's 20 to 4. It's 20 to 4. Here how many minutes do we need to achieve 5? It's we still need 15 minutes or quarter. It's a quarter to 5. ربع باش نوصل ل5. it's quarter هو الربع. It's quarter to 5. هنا here how many minutes do we need to achieve 6? We need 10 minutes. It's 10 to 6. 6 قل قسمين أو قل 10 دقائق. داكشي باش قلنا it's 10 to 6. It's here it's 6 it's 5 to 7. هنا محتاجة 5 دقائق باش نوصل ل7. داكشي باش قلنا it's 5 to 7. And here it's 7 o'clock. Okay, so let's give another example to understand the clock better. What time is it? Now, are we here or here? احنا دابا هنا واش في هذا النصف الأول من الساعة أو النصف الثاني من الساعة؟ 5 10. Are we in the first part of the clock or in the second part of the clock? We are here in the first part of the clock because we have only 10 minutes past. So we say it's 10 past 5. Okay? We start with minutes, then we move to hours. Another example. What time is it now? What time is it? باش نعرف نجاوب خصني نشوف واش راني هنا ولا هنا. Are we in the first part of the clock or in the second part of the clock? Here or here? Are we here or here? We are in the first part of the clock. So we say, ودائما we start with minutes. We say it's 20 past 7. It's 20 past 7.
It's 20 past 7.
Yes. Now, Sad, are we in the first part of the clock or in the second part of the clock? Are we here or here?
We're in this first part of the clock.
No, we are not in the first part of the clock because we have here 40 minutes. Okay? We have 40. As long as we are in 30, we are in the first part of the clock. When we surpass 30 minutes, we are in the second part of the clock. So 40 it means that we are here. هنا في النصف الثاني. So شنو غنقولوا؟ شحال بقات لي من دقيقة باش نوصل ل9 نيشان؟
We need only 20 minutes.
20 minutes. Excellent. So we say it's 20 to شنو؟ To
9.
to 9. Very good. It's 20 to 9. بالدارجة كنقولوا 9 قل 20 دقيقة. دونك احنا بدينا بال20. It's 20 to 9. 20 ل9. Let's give another example. What time is it? It's said.
It's
Are we in the first part of the clock or the second part of the clock?
we're in the second part.
Excellent. In the second part of the clock. So, what is the answer here?
It's
You don't know. Okay,
Yeah.
it's 10. We still need 10 minutes to reach 11. محتاجين 10 دقائق باش نوصلوا ل11. دونك غنقولوا
it's
it's
10 11
to 11.
to 11.
Yes. It's 10 to 11.
11.
Let's give another example. Okay. So, are we in here in this example? In this example. Are we here or here? In the first or in the second part? Said, are we in the first part or in the second part?
We're in the second part.
In the second part. Excellent. So what time is it?
It's 13.
No. We start with minutes. كنبداو بالدقائق. How many minutes do we need to reach 14?
We need 35 minutes.
No, not 35.
25.
25. Very good. It's 25 to what?
14.
To 14. Very good. Excellent. It's 25 to 14. Another example. In this example, are we in the first part or in the second part? In which part we are? Where?
We're in the second part.
Excellent. So how many minutes do we need to reach 16?
We need only 5 minutes
Only
to reach
5
16.
So we say it's, give me the answer. It's
5.
Yes, to.
It's 5 to 16.
Very good. Excellent. It's 5 قد نقولوا حتى نقولوا 4 قل القسم. Okay, then it's 5 دقائق إلا الربعة. It's 5 to 16.
It's 5 to 16.
Okay.
Make sure to repeat with us.
Yes, all the time. So we have here 2 exercises. Try to do them. And you can let the answers in the comments, yes. Or in a notebook.
If you want.
If you want. So here we have some questions. What time do you wake up? فوقاش كتنوض؟ Wake up هي كتستيقظ. What time do you wake up?
I wake up at 8 o'clock.
And I wake up at 7 o'clock. So what time do you wake up? Make sure to use the preposition at. With time we use the preposition at. دائما كنستعمل هاد at مع التايم. At 8 o'clock, at 9 o'clock, at 7 o'clock, etc. What time do you have lunch? Have lunch هي فوقاش كتغدى، فوقاش كتناول وجبة الغداء. What time سعد do you have lunch?
I have lunch at 12 o'clock.
Okay. And what time do you sleep?
I sleep at 7 o'clock, 8, and...
You don't sleep at 7. You never sleep at 7. You sleep at 10
or
o'clock
11.
Or 11, yes. And sometimes midnight. I know that. Anyway, so what is this? This is a clock. Don't forget this word, a clock. This is a watch.
And don't never say a watch is a clock. They're not the same thing.
They're not the same. This is a clock. Sorry, a watch. A clock, a watch. And here?
It's a quarter.
Quarter. There are many pronunciations.
Yeah.
Quarter. And this is half.
Half.
Okay?
Yeah.
So I hope you understood the lesson very well. And
make sure to subscribe.
Yes. And see you in another video, inshallah. Goodbye.
Goodbye.